I had the best parents in the world. My mom and dad both raised my sister and I to not judge other people for what their decisions are. My dad is Black and my mom is Chinese, and so I'm biracial. I remember hearing that mantra over and over. The world, society, this country would see us as Black women. We would have to work 3 times as hard to prove ourselves. The Legal Aid Society has almost 150 years of serving low-income communities in New York City. I've dedicated my entire professional career as an attorney for 15 years serving marginalized and disenfranchised communities as well. When I was in college, I was a criminal justice major, and I remember a professor took us to meet a group of men that were serving life without parole. It really helped to reinforce my desire to only go to law school for the purpose of being a public defender. This is the civil rights movement of our lifetime. As we see direct attacks on our reproductive rights, voting rights, immigration rights, and rollbacks on bail reform. It is such an honor to be named the Attorney-in-Chief and Chief Executive Officer of the Legal Aid Society at such a critical moment in our history. The Legal Aid Society provides free legal representation to low-income New Yorkers in criminal, civil, and juvenile rights matters. I was a public defender for 10 years and spent 8 years working directly on misdemeanor and felony cases. When I worked at the ACLU National Office as a senior staff attorney, I had the honor of representing low-income people from marginalized communities. At the Bail Project, I had the privilege of directing the strategic direction of the policy, advocacy, and legal work that we did at the federal, state, and local levels. We will work together towards increasing access to justice for low-income New Yorkers. We will work together to limit the direct attacks on our civil rights and our civil liberties, and we will work together to protect all New Yorkers. It is we, the people, who will make the change.